Hey y'all, it's Astronomy Ari8393, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be drawing a little boy. So drawing something like this isn't super hard. Like, I have a scale, for instance, a 1 to 5 scale or star scale, where if a drawing's super easy, I would give it a 1, but if the drawing is super hard, I would give it a 5. And if it's something in between, I'd give it a 3. So this drawing is about a 3 in my little 1 to 5 scale. It's not the easiest, but also not the hardest. So let's start. So in order to draw this little boy, the first thing you want to do is draw a little circle. Why a little circle? Well, I'll tell you. Then you add this little curved line. Draw the chin. Doesn't have to be perfect. I really need to put a flashlight. Anyway. Is that better? Why does my phone screen look so dark? Anyway. Then draw an ear. That's important. You never want to misplace the ear. I think the flash made it worse. I don't know. Anyway, now I need the flash on. Anyway. Draw a straight line in between this curved line and this curved line, but somewhere in between where it touches the ear. Does that make sense? So this is a little bit more of an advanced tutorial. There's a reason why. So next you're going to want to draw the neck. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can even just make it straight lines. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, and also, I gotta say one thing. One of my other favorite YouTubers has to be Mariah Elizabeth. I love her videos. And I would appreciate if she did like more squishy makeovers. That would be really nice. So for the body, you don't have to do anything really complex. Just something like this would be useful. But I will show you another one of another thing you could do. So you could add arms on the side like this. That doesn't take much skill. Or you could have one arm facing up and doing, like, I don't know, a pose. Like, take for instance a peace sign. Don't even have to draw the elbow. It's that easy. Anyway, I like drawing a little piece. Also, I'm not the best at drawing hands. So, I mean, if I had comments on my videos, don't critique me. Sure, I know critiquing can also be helpful sometimes. But most of the time, if you just critique about everything, even though it's really good, like, what's the point of critiquing? Anyway. The fingers need to be a little bit longer. Make sense? Yeah, that's good. So now we can finally start adding the details. Yay! I think I'm the only one excited here, but So we're gonna want to erase this. Not too much, like the faint, something faint. Like faint lines, so you know where to put the eyes. I just do like big eyes because I don't want to draw small almond shapes because that is annoying. I'm going to skip this part because it is kind of boring. See, the facial details actually look pretty good. I didn't add any eyelashes. Eyelashes are for the girls, in my case, but now for hair, oh wait, I forgot to erase the lines. I'll do that real quick and make my eraser. Yeah, that's the best I could do. Anyway, for drawing hair for boys, it's simple. You don't have to do too much. I like making it look realistic because that's how it should look, right? Right? Am I the only one? You can really draw the hairstyle any way you like. It doesn't matter how you do it or when you do it. Just make it look good, and that's all that matters. Make it look like hair, long, flowing hair. Well, I mean, this isn't long, but you get what I mean, right? And that's how you draw a little boy, and my screen looks so dark, but in real life it's actually really, really bright. Anyway, whee! And that's how you draw a little boy. See you later, y'all. Be sweet, parakeets.